Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the social media button next to the whiteboard option and click to the Facebook section. And here you can find the Facebook cover option and just tap on it. And you have more option. You can upload pictures or select an image from your gallery, from your device, and you can find different graphic elements, for example graphics, stickers, photos, charts, grids, and others. And in the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer, and just select the template and step on it. New, you can edit the style of the template. You can change the color if you tap to the square icon. The square icon next to the design section, and just select color, and this changed. You can change the picture. Just pull the picture from the frame. And you can edit the text. Just tap on it and write your text, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.